Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlock service for a device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally came from. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S20, and this one just happens to be from Sprint here in the US. And this one has not yet been SIM unlocked, as evidenced by the messages that we see here when we have a non-Sprint SIM card inserted. So we can see that it says, please contact Sprint to unlock your device, and it also tells us that we have an invalid SIM card inserted. Now, the one that we have inserted here for testing runs on AT&T's network, so obviously because that is totally separate and independent from Sprint, we're going to see those error messages. Now, another way to correctly identify that it is originally from Sprint is that we have the My Sprint app installed here. And then also, we're going to go ahead and jump into the settings to show you one thing real quick. And for that, I just need to actually pop the SIM out for a moment. And then if we go in there, let's see, if we go to System Updates. Okay, there we go. So under the UICC Unlock section, under System Updates, we can see that it is locked to Sprint SIMs only. So this is a device that is originally from Sprint and has not yet gone through any sort of unlock process. Now, of course, the original carrier, which is Sprint in this case, like most carriers, will of course unlock it for you if you meet all of their requirements. But most carriers require that you be the original owner, that you have the device fully paid off, and that there's no contract attached. And most carriers also request that you have the device active with them for a minimum number of days of active service before they will do that for you. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us to assist them with getting their device unlocked, either because they themselves wanted to change carriers before their eligibility period had met the carrier's requirements, or because they were told that the device was unlocked by the person that they bought the phone from if they happened to buy it used, and then the seller was dishonest and didn't tell them that it was actually locked. So we've been doing this for tons of customers from all over the world ever since the S20s came out. And I should again mention this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer and a fast internet connection, and we can connect to your computer right through the internet and then perform the exact same thing that we're doing right here, right now. My unlock program is running as we speak here while we have the phone plugged in. We just need another minute or two for that to finish up running, and then we should be able to see after the device restarts that it should be able to work and get signal on our test SIM card that we have inserted here, and we should no longer be seeing those Sprint error messages. So I'm going to leave the screen showing here while the unlock program finishes running, just so you can truly see that this is something we can actually do. There's no trickery involved here. No one's trying to pull the wool over anyone's eyes or trick them in any sort of way. Yep, it's just running through. It looks like it's on step 4 of 5, so we just need another minute or two to let that run. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave the phone screen displayed there. You can go ahead and skip to the end of the video if you need in order to make this go a little bit faster. All right, there we go. So the device is now restarting. Our unlock program should have finished up running. And now after it restarts, we should be able to see the final effects that the unlock is complete and that we do get signal on that SIM card that's inserted there. So once it goes past the Samsung logo there, we should be able to notice immediately in here. I think this will help if I do this. So if I go ahead and pop that SIM card back into it, we'll notice that we're not going to see those error messages anymore up in the top signal bar. All we can see is something here that says, that's talking about the Google features being turned on and some other generic notifications. So we're not getting those error messages about the SIM card anymore. And if we go ahead and look at the bottom there, we can see that our signal has kicked in. So we are running on Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US. That's AT&T's main prepaid brand. And then if we go ahead and jump into the settings also, under status and then SIM card status, we can see that our network is showing as Cricket, that we have our full LTE signal enabled, and that everything is running as it should be. And there, of course, we've got our signal bars up there in the top corner of the screen as well. So all of the error messages have disappeared. The device is now fully SIM unlocked and is compatible with any other compatible wireless carriers. And if you have a Sprint Galaxy S20 that you would like to get unlocked, we would love to help you out with that. So go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.